Have you ever lost customers because your supplier took 2 weeks to ship something that was supposed to arrive in 3 days? That trust, once broken, is almost impossible to get back. And this book fixes the source of the problem. In just a few simple steps, you will learn exactly which dropshipping suppliers are actually delivering in 2 to 3 days right now, not just promising it. First, understand why fast shipping is the single biggest factor in dropshipping success today. Next, discover the verified suppliers who consistently meet short delivery windows without excuses. Then, with these tools, you can finally build a dropshipping business your customers actually trust. With these tools, Geese, you can finally build a dropshipping business your customers actually trust. Picture this. A customer orders on Monday and gets their package Wednesday. They leave a 5-star review. They order again. They tell a friend. All because you chose the right supplier from the start. Remember, in e-commerce, speed isn't a bonus. It's the expectation. Reliable suppliers are a game changer. They create trust, reviews, and a store that grows on its own. Don't wait. Grab your copy of The Dropshipping Suppliers Actually Shipping in 2-3 days and give your customers the experience they deserve today.